Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert page number in Excel. Let's get started. The first method I'll show you involves clicking on the View tab. Here, you'll notice we're in normal mode. If I switch to Page Layout and hover over here, you'll see options to add a header, and as I scroll down, a footer. Typically, we insert page numbers in either the header or footer, which aren't visible until you're in page layout mode or when you print the worksheet. Visually, we use page numbers when printing. In the footer, we can add our page numbers, and upon printing, they'll be included. If I click on the footer, a new tab opens, the Design tab, under the Header and Footer tools. This tab only appears when you click on the footer or header. Take a look at the page number option here. Clicking inserts the text. However, if I click anywhere else on the worksheet, you'll see a hashtag because there's no text in any of these sheets. But if we add text, say in sheet 1, and then click elsewhere, the page number automatically appears. Let's add a total number of pages. By adding a space, writing off, another space, and clicking on Design Mode, you'll find number of pages. Clicking here pastes the text. Click elsewhere and you'll see 1 out of 1. As we add text on subsequent pages, the page numbers change accordingly. That's how you insert page numbers. Now let's delete this. Click on View to return to normal mode. From the Insert tab, click on Insert. Then under the Text section, choose Header and Footer. This takes you to the same page as before, where you can add page numbers and the total count easily. Removing it, let's go back to normal view mode. Another option is to click on the Page Layout tab under Page Setup. Click the arrow to open the Page Setup pop-up. Choose Header and Footer. And you can adjust where to insert page numbers, header or footer. There's formatting available to show only the current page numbers, or both current and total pages. I'll select the second option for our header. Upon clicking OK and going back to View and Page Layout, you'll see our page number added. You can always edit it by revisiting Page Layout and Page Setup, where various options for different pages and formats are available. That's how you insert page numbers in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.